Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that's been popping up a lot lately. What is the phone number for NBKC? Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to know the phone number for NBKC? Well, there could be a few reasons. Maybe you're a customer and you need to reach out to customer service. Or maybe you're just curious and you want to learn more about the bank. Whatever the reason, I'm here to help. So, without further ado, let's get into it. What is NBKC? Before we get into the phone number, let's take a quick look at what NBKC is. NBKC, or National Bank of Kansas City, is a regional bank that's been around since 1881. They offer a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. NBKC is a member of the FDIC, so your money is insured up to $250,000. They also have a good reputation for customer service. So, what's the phone number for NBKC? There are a few different phone numbers for NBKC, depending on what you need help with. Customer service, 1-866-931-0850. Report a lost or stolen debit card, 1-833-933-1681. Inquire about online account application, 1-877-777-7298. Home loans, 1-800-375-8096. Existing mortgage customer support, 1-888-905-2165. How to choose the right phone number? If you're not sure which phone number to call, you can always start with the customer service number. They can help you connect with the right department. Other ways to contact NBKC. If you don't want to call the phone number, you can also contact NBKC online or through social media. Website, https://www.nbkc.com. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/nbkcbank. Twitter, https://twitter.com/creditorsbar?lang=sign-in. Instagram, https://www.instagram.com/nbkcbank/?hl=sign-in. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.